This is Greg Troutwine. I'm the editor and associate publisher of Maritime Reporter and Engineering News. We're here today at the SMM 26 with Niclas Dahl of Alfa Laval. Niclas, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Niclas, just to start off, can you just give us your title and area of responsibility?
Yeah, I'm what we call market unit manager for marine equipment within Alfa Laval, which means that I'm globally responsible for the traditional portfolio for Alfa Laval, like separator, plate heat exchanger, freshwater generators, and so on.
Okay, excellent. And here at SMM, it's a traditional launching point for many new products. We understand that you have the Alfa Laval FlowSync. Can you explain to me what FlowSync is?
Yeah, Alfa Laval FlowSync is one of the latest inventions that we have in mainly for the separators. And the main idea is to optimize the flow for the separators in order to make sure that we have the best separation performance and also a lot of energy savings, so on. And you can take as an example, I mean, in the past, we've always been running the separator either like full speed or not at all. Okay. So what we see now is the possibility to adjust the flow to the right capacity, and that means that we get a lot of benefits for the owners when they are running the systems.
Okay, excellent. And obviously I would assume that you're dealing with your customers on a regular basis to develop new products, but can you tell us specifically how FlowSync came about?
Yeah, I mean, it's been a lot of discussions with different owners, and we've seen their demands when they're talking more about slow steaming. How can they do a lot of energy savings in the past, especially when the oil price was very high? This was on top of the agenda, really. And what we also see as a trend in the future is that the fuel actually is reducing the quality in the future. Okay. So we see more cat fines, more issues, and so on. So separation performance, as we see it, will be more and more important in the future. Okay. So when we put all of this together, and then we say, okay, what can we do? I mean, we are one of the few suppliers that have all the components from tank to the engine. And this was our way to see how we can optimize the complete fuel line in that way.
That's excellent. Well, our main title, Maritime Reporter, it's actually the largest circulation maritime publication in the world. We go to about 35,000, and half of those are ship and boat owners. Yeah. So if we can just drill down, what exactly does FlowSync mean to the ship owner?
I mean, it's a protection. The separator today is a protection to the engine, and what FlowSync does is that we make sure that you have the right flow through the separator. And by doing that, it means that you increase the separation performance, even increase the protection for the engine. You're also saving a lot of energy, because when we are putting in the oil into the separator, we heat it up to 98 degrees. So if we then reduce the flow through, and instead of recirculating and just using the flow that is needed for the engine, it also means that we are saving energy for the ship owner.
Excellent. Again, I thank you very much for taking your time. I know this is a busy show.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.